right.
Roll them.
I'm with Miss Samantha.
Yes.
And her daughter, Ebony. Ebony found us online. Thank you so much.
No problem. Thank you.
Just beautiful people. I'll tell Miss Samantha's story. She was going to get a second pain pump implanted and had
spinal cord stimulator.
Had some problems, started bleeding, and she ended up in this wheelchair. This was the day before Christmas, right?
Yep.
Yes.
Of 2019, and she's been in this wheelchair ever since. And today was your third or fourth session with our cool lithotripsy device, nicknamed the stem cell machine. And you've had drop foot.
And I can't stop wiggling my toes.
Look at that.
Those toes were not wiggling when we walked in.
They weren't walked in. They haven't moved in a while.
Yeah, she has not moved her toes since she had surgery.
Yeah, not like this.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yes.
You know, healing takes time.
Yes.
And Miss Samantha, what do you tell others out there that are not as bad as you, but what do you tell them?
Like, this is amazing. And when my daughter first suggested I do this, I was very skeptical.
Mm-hmm.
I went on YouTube. I looked you up on YouTube.
Mm-hmm.
And after watching the other patients, I said, why not? Let's
If we could help them, maybe we could help Samantha.
Exactly. Let's
And I
give
felt
it a
like
go.
you could help. When I Googled other doctors, a lot of doctors, they do the same thing. They want to do the injections and
Surgery.
surgery.
More medication.
More medication.
Yes.
And
We're fed up with that.
I found you because your practice was different. And I said, we need a different approach because everyone else wants to do the same thing. So I said, Mom, we got to try it. And
Take your mask off, Samantha.
Tremendous, her outcomes. The very first treatment, she left and said, I can feel the difference. And she felt better just,
A lot better.
leaving the office. And when she goes to the other doctors and she gets these injections, she's hurting for days and she doesn't know if it's going to work or not. When she leaves your office, she feels better the same day.
The first time I couldn't wait to come back.
Mm-hmm.
I was excited to come back.
Right.
Seriously.
Well, I'll tell you what, this definitely creates a positive biological effect wherever we put it on your body. Move those feet again, just so we show it. And again, this is just a couple weeks in your fourth session, so.
And her toes weren't moving 5 minutes ago.
That's pretty cool.
No, this just happened today.
I'm saying, before he just did the treatment and she tried to wiggle her toes to see where she was at, she wasn't moving. Only the big toe moves. Now her other toes are moving 2 minutes later.
Right.
Well, listen, we say what would be considered medical miracles happen every week at one of our TRT centers.
My pain specialist could not do this. I've been
we're
seeing a pain specialist for 10 years now. And
we're just working with your body's own natural ability to heal. So that's what's like.
I was telling her on the way over here, I'm like, I wish we would have found you before she had surgery. That probably would have prevented her having surgery.
That's key.
yeah.
All right, me and the girls.
So
See. Thank you.